show you something about the curve. So remember how the geometric line is 2 anchor points, and it's just, to make that, it would be click, release with the pen tool. And I'll show you that in a second. A curve is created by not only clicking and releasing, but clicking and dragging. So that is not only an anchor point, but it has a handle, and the handle is what tells the curve how big to go. So if you click V and select one of your curves, doesn't matter which one, and then click on the pen tool. Oops. That's weird. Hold on a second. I might be doing this wrong. Oh, yeah. And hold Option, and then click and release on one of your anchor points. And you will see, or you should see, let me know if you don't. So what you've done is you've selected a curve, you've clicked the pen tool, and then holding Option, you've clicked on one of your anchor points. And what now you are seeing is the handles coming off of the anchor point that have created the curve. So while holding Option, if you go to the end of one of those handles and drag it, you will see how that curve changes. So this curve is the next step in complexity. In Illustrator. So if you pull your pen away from the line that you're on right now and click Escape, then close to your first anchor point on your curve, click, don't release, and drag in about the direction that you had seen that. Now you aren't going to see the handle anymore. And then go over towards your other anchor point and click and drag. You can try to create a similar curve using the pen tool. The pen tool is a real beast. So in order to create a curve with the pen tool, let's see, I guess I should teach you how to do a straight line with the pen tool first. So if you select the pen tool, that's P, click and release, that makes an anchor point. Go somewhere else, click and release, that makes another anchor point. You just made a geometric line with the pen tool. If you keep clicking and releasing, you're going to keep making geometric lines. If you want that line to end, you just move your pen away from the line and click Escape. You are in isolation mode, Jack. Do you see how up at the top of your screen there's that like blue bar thing with back arrow at the top? Press the back arrow until all that's gone. There you go. I don't even know what isolation mode means, but it messes me up all the time. So that's how you make a straight line with the pen tool. To make a curved line, instead of clicking and releasing, you click and drag, and that's what's going to create your handles. Ooh. And remember, to end your line, you can move your pen off and click Escape. Okay, I'm going to give you a vote right now. The two options are learn another tool or play with these tools. not play with your phone. Okay, so if you choose play with these tools, it means you're going to mess around with the pen tool and the line segment tool. If you want to learn a new tool, we'll learn a new one. Vote for learn a new tool. Vote for play around with these tools. Okay, play around with these tools wins. Yeah, tools. Just kidding. Okay, go for it. If you need more room on your artboard, if you've run out of room on your artboards and you want a new one, look, we're getting a new tool anyway. The artboard tool is on the bottom left, right above the white hand. And if you click on that bad boy, your specifications menu will say letter. We'll give you orientations. And then the third key over is new artboard. You can add a new one if you want a new piece of paper. We'll do that a million more times. We're going to learn more tools tomorrow. Literally, you could just spend a million years working on playing with the pen tool, and we will have full days just with the pen tool today. In the future. But for now, mess with the pen, mess with the curve, see what you can make. You can mess with color, stroke, play.